Hi, it's Elisa, and I'm going to show you how to pair your Connect Composition course with your Canvas class. So as you can see, I am in Canvas, and the first step is to add the link to your Connect Composition course into your Canvas class. I'm going to do that by going into the modules, and then I'm going to add content to a module. Right here where it says Add, click the drop-down menu and choose External Tools. Now, the first step is that your administration has to have added Connect or McGraw-Hill Campus to your installation of Canvas. And here you can see that our admin staff has done that already. So all I have to do as an instructor is choose the McGraw-Hill tool. And as I scroll down, I can see that the URL has been added and the page name. I'm just going to change this name from Campus to Connect, because that's what my students know what it is called. And then I'm going to click Load this tool in a new window and click Add this item. So now you can see that on my modules page I have a new link, and I can move that to anywhere I need for that link to be. So that's it for adding the link. The next step is to pair the two courses together, and to do that, go ahead and click the link that you just set up. It opens in a new window when you click this button. So now you can see I have a new tab that's opening up. The next step is to find the book that you were looking for. I found it a bit challenging to find our custom book, so I'm using the ISBN. So I'll send you all the ISBN if you cannot read it from this screen. But once you click in the add in the ISBN and click Find Now, our book will show up. So there you can see our McGraw-Hill Handbook, 3rd edition by Mayman. Go ahead and hit Select. And there it is. So the next step is to now pair with Connect. So at the bottom underneath your book you'll see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click that button. Alright, and since it already recognizes me, it logged me right into my Connect account. If it doesn't recognize you, you'll just be asked to log in to Connect, and then you will be looking at your courses. So these are my courses that I have already set up in Connect. And what I need to do is at the very top where it says, I want this for my students, don't forget this step. Go ahead and click that. I want this for my students. And at this point, it's asking for you to adopt Connect. Well, we've already adopted it, but in this case, you're going to say adopt Connect again. Next, you have a choice of adding a new section in Connect or pairing your existing Connect course with Canvas. So I recommend that you set up your Connect course first, especially if you are participating in the shared assessment and I shared the Master English 101 online course with you. Then you want to select an existing course. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and once I do, it pops up all of my courses. So in the case of the Master English 101, I would go ahead and choose this one. And now I can choose an existing one or add a new section. And in this case, I want to add a new section. But for you, you would add it to the existing section that I shared with you if you're at GCC. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new section. And as you can see, it's already named for me, the same name that my Canvas course is named. And if you've noticed, I don't have a 101, so I'm just using my banned books class as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. You can change this name to whatever you wanted to if you're creating a new section. But I'm going to go ahead and leave mine as that and click Save. And then it says, You're done. So I have successfully paired my Connect Canvas with Connect course over here. Okay? So I can go back and forth now in between just by clicking the link within Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and go back in and show you how it now works. So first, I'm already in Connect. So if I scroll down to the section that I added, you can see that this section here has been automatically added just through that whole process I went through. And this little lock here shows that the course has been paired with Campus, with McGraw-Hill Campus, which connects it to Canvas. So that is all set up. Now if I go back to Connect and go back to my modules, now when I click on the Connect link, I'll have to go through the first two steps again where I open in a new window. And now when I hit the Connect button, it will automatically connect me to my Connect class. And because it was a new section, I need to add some assignments. So it's guiding me as an instructor to add some new assignments to this new section. As you can see, it's my banned books section has been successfully connected. Let's see what it looks like for the students. For your students, they will do the same thing now that you have it all set up. They click on modules. In the modules, they will see the link that you've created called the McGraw-Hill Connect, and again you can name this whatever you want. The student will click on the link. Remember, you have to pair the two before it works for students. The students will see this button to click to open in a new window, and when they do so, they will automatically see the textbook that you have already selected and paired, and instruct your students to click the Connect button just as you did. So the first time students click on that link, they'll see this happy message here that says, do you want to register for this section? And you go ahead and say, yes, complete my registration. And then students will be prompted to either add their registration code or buy access online for $40. So if the students do not have money, they will also have a third option, which is to do a 2-week trial. But my test student has already signed up for the trial, so that's why it's not showing here. But that's pretty much it. So good luck with getting your courses paired, and if you have any questions, let me know.